The number one mistake I see new YouTubers making that hold them back from growing a profitable YouTube channel and stop them from getting the views that they deserve can be fixed by a very simple mindset shift that I'm going to share with you in this video. If you're new here, I'm Carl and we've got over 5 million views on our YouTube channel with over 20,000 subscribers, and we've got a YouTube community of 800 new YouTubers just like you starting and growing their profitable YouTube business. So we've been around the block and learned a few things that I want to share with you today so that we can accelerate your progress and get you going growing your YouTube channel. Let's not waste another second and dive right in. So what is this simple mindset shift? For you to fully understand this mindset shift, I need to explain how YouTube works and explain to you what's actually going on inside your viewer's mind while they're consuming videos on YouTube. So I want you to take your shoes off and put yourself in the shoes of your viewer and think about what's going through their mind when they log into YouTube ready to watch your video. The reason why we need to do this is because human beings by nature are selfish and they only think about themselves. So we need to understand what's going on in their mind so that we can create our videos specifically for our viewers. To do this, we need to stop thinking about what videos we want to make and start thinking about what videos do our viewers need and want to watch. If you can make this simple mindset shift, it's going to change everything about the growth of your channel. With all the new YouTubers that we have in our community, as soon as they make this mindset shift, we can see them unlock new levels of views on their videos because they are putting their viewers first. They are making their videos for their viewers and making videos that their viewers actually want to watch. To really unlock this for you, I want to share a few stats from our channel. So we've got over 5 million views on our channel, but let's head over to the content tab and look at the click-through rate that we've got on the impressions that we have for the channel. So we've got over 11 million impressions on our channel and we've got an 11% click-through rate. But to make the maths easy here, let's say our click-through rate was 10%. So that's 1 in 10 people that see our thumbnail actually click and start watching the video. So what does that mean for you as a creator? What do you need to do to use this to get more views on your channel, to accelerate the growth of your channel? Well, what we need to do is allocate the time that we spend on making our videos in the correct places so that we can move the needle the most. So what does that all mean? Let me simplify the numbers. If your click-through rate is 10% like our channel, that means that only 1 in 10 people are actually starting to watch your video. So if we were to allocate the time for creating videos according to the numbers, we would have to spend 90% of your time on choosing the topic, making the thumbnail, and choosing the title of your video, and only 10% of your time on everything else. Now, I know what new YouTubers' workflow looks like, and I know how much time they spend on scripting, filming, editing, adding all the special effects, color grading their video, trying to add sound effects, trying to find the best music. All of that time is wasted if you can't get your viewer to actually click on your video. So if we work more on the thumbnail, topic selection, and title, we're going to increase that click-through rate, which means more people are going to see the start of our video. And then in our video, we want to front load all our work to the start of the video because we know what our retention graphs look like. There's a massive drop off. But for the purposes of this video, we just need that first unlock for you. And that's going to happen by focusing more time and effort in the creation process on your thumbnails. How do we create thumbnails that your viewer actually wants to click on? That's actually going to get them to start watching your video so that all the other work you do is not wasted. If we can't get that click, all the time we've invested in making your video, you might as well scrunch it up and throw it in the bin. This might sound a little bit harsh, but it's the reality that we need to understand when we're first starting out trying to get that momentum on our YouTube channel. Now, once you've got the momentum and you've started publishing, in order to get better at the skill of getting the click, getting your thumbnails right, choosing the right video topics, and crafting the right titles that your viewers are going to click on, we need more feedback. And that's where our YouTube community comes in. You can share your video ideas, you can share your thumbnails and titles in there, get instant feedback so that you can improve at an accelerated pace. What does that mean for you? It means you're going to grow your channel quicker, you're You're going to get more views because we're going to upskill ourselves by getting more feedback from the other people around you that are also starting and growing their YouTube channel. So if you're just getting started on YouTube and you've just unlocked that mindset shift, then come and join us in the YouTube community. I'll leave a link for you just below the like button. You can then surround yourself with other people that are creating videos, that are growing their channels, that are creating a profitable YouTube business. I cannot wait to see you inside of the YouTube community. If you have any questions about unlocking this mindset shift for your channel, then drop them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you out. The next step is to make sure we've got clarity on the exact niche that we're going to focus on for our videos. And that's what I want you to get onto next, because we've created a video here that's going to walk you step by step through the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the niche video.